In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to animate, freeze, and fracture a bird model within SideFX Houdini. First things first, let's open Houdini and create a new project. So File, New Project, and let's call it Bird. And choose a folder where you want all the project files to be stored, for example on the desktop. So create a new folder and call it Bird Tutorial. Hit accept and call the file bird. Accept and accept again. Okay, so now we have our project folder created on the desktop. Let's open Google Drive and download all the project files we'll need. So the link to this Google Drive folder is in the description. So we have our bird model, HDRI map, and ice textures in here. Once it's downloaded, let's copy it to the desktop and extract the files. Okay, and we're going to put all of our project files in the Geo folder, in our project folder. Alright, and we're almost ready to start. Let's just remind how to navigate the viewport. So Alt and left mouse button tumbles. Alt and right zooms in and out. And middle button pans. You can choose from several different desktop layouts. For some reason I prefer the technical desktop, but we're also using a similar one called Build. In the technical desktop, just hide those two panels on the left and on the bottom. And here you can find the scene window on the top right hand side. So let's hit Tab to open our tab menu. Start typing a node name, for example, geometry. Hit Enter. And Enter again. And move the geometry a bit. Okay, and now let's create another geometry. So Tab, Geo, Enter, and Enter again. We can disable visibility by pressing this blue button on the right. And we can navigate the scene window the same way as the main window. Okay, so let's select the files, the nodes, and delete them by pressing Delete on Windows or Backspace on iOS. And let's change the frame range to 60, so the bottom number is the frame range of our whole project, and the top number is just the frame range on the timeline, so how many frames we see. And this is auto key, which we will use. And this small button enables real-time simulation. And I think that's it. Enjoy the tutorial.